In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to link any HTML document in our computer with the web page or HTML document we are working with. First, we will open the Sublime text and then create a new file. Now, right click anywhere on the desktop screen and create a new folder. We will name this folder as program. We will click on this folder. Now you see here I am naming it as program 1 because this will be the HTML document which will be containing the link to another HTML document which will be named as program 2. Now here it comes. Now we will again click on new file and we will save it as program 2. We will add HTML layout to both our documents. Now here in the program 1 which we want that this HTML document should contain the link to the web page of program 2, we will add an anchor element. And in this anchor elements href attribute, we will write program 2, simply program 2 and with extension .html. Here we will right click me and we will save this much. We can add a heading. Now we will head on to the program 2 and write some content in it. Now we will click on program 1 and you see that the click me link is given here. This process creates a web of interconnected web pages and the term is called the website because it has two web pages connected to it. Web page 1 has loaded and it contains the link or inside the element of anchor for the program 2 HTML. We will click on the link and you can see the program 2 gets opened via clicking our link. This tutorial showed you how to link any web page or more web pages. Program 3, you can link as many web pages. We will click on save as and we will save it as program 3.html. Now we will load the HTML snippet. We will save this and we will create a link in this program 2 and we will save it, and we can also make the link for the program 3 in program 1 also. We will save all the programs one by one. Now we will reload it and you can see I am the third web page because this is the third program. And by this process, you can link as many web pages and create a website as you want. Thank you.